Hello everyone, this is Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to talk about book exercise for unit number 19 जिसका नाम है Drug Abuse in Youth of Pakistan. So we'll start the discussion of our book exercise by discussing questions related to reading comprehension first. Our first question is, what is the central idea of essay Drug Abuse in Youth of Pakistan? Answer. The title clearly explains what the essay is all about. The central idea of the essay Drug Abuse in Youth of Pakistan is that the youth is becoming addicted to drugs due to various reasons, such as academic pressure, over-expectations of parents, communication gap between parents and youth, and easy availability of drugs at educational institutions. The ratio of addicted youth has increased many folds in the recent years in Pakistan. The excessive use of drugs is badly affecting the physical and mental health of the youth, making them unable to perform well in their studies. Second question. Analyze the pattern of writing and the order of arranging paragraphs in the essay Drug Abuse in Youth of Pakistan. Answer. The pattern of writing that the writer has used in this essay is that of exposition. In the introductory paragraph, the topic has been introduced and then the essay goes on. This essay is argumentative in nature as the writer introduces the topic and then gives arguments and evidences to support his viewpoint. At the end, he furnishes the essay by giving suggestions and conclusion. Hence, the paragraphs are arranged in a systematic manner as for each key idea, a separate paragraph has been written. Each paragraph contains examples, reasons, causes, ideas, evidences, and supporting details. Special devices have been used by the writer to connect ideas and sentences with each other. Third question. Why are the educated youth resorting to drug abuse? Explain it in 5 lines. Answer. The educated youth is resorting to drug abuse due to the following major reasons. Academic pressure is one such cause that is taken by the youth when they are under stress and have demands of time and energy in order to meet educational goals. Parents' over expectations from their children to perform well in studies and achieve good grades to excel in the chosen field. In order to take relief from the stress of above-mentioned pressures, the educated youth finds an easy shelter under the umbrella of drug. Lack of proper counseling has its own place in this dilemma as the youth has no one to guide them in the right direction towards a better future. As the drug is quite easily available at the educational institutions, so the youth can get it without any difficulty. Fourth question. Compare and contrast colleges' life with that of schools. Highlight the points of similarities and differences in the light of the essay. Answer. School and colleges' environment have some points of similarities and some of differences as well. When talking about similarities, both the institutions have certain rules and regulations for the students to follow. Students have to meet parents' expectations and they have to bear academic pressure to achieve good grades. When students step into college, they can feel and experience certain changes in their life. During school life, they have more restrictions either from their teachers or parents with respect to time management, discipline, and participation in extracurricular activities. In contrast to school, college life gives students more freedom, that is, freedom from controlled environment, freedom from parents' guidance, freedom to move, and freedom to choose whatever they want to study, etc. Fifth question. What should be the role of parents in managing the future goals of their children? Answer. Parents should play their active role in managing the future goals of their children because they are the first ones to help their children develop positive self-image and create healthy approaches towards life with confidence and determination. Taking care of their children's future aims and objectives, parents can help and guide them in the selection of right discipline that will help them in getting appropriate jobs in future. They must not exert pressure on their children that may lead to anxiety and stress problems among them. Rather, they should guide them through proper counseling and setting future goals and must encourage them towards achieving their dreams and goals of life. Sixth question. What role can academia play in control of drug abuse? Answer. Academia can play effective role in controlling the menace of drug abuse. They should shoulder this responsibility sensibly and must take initiatives to eradicate the evil of drug addiction from the lives of the youth. Adequate education must be provided at educational institutions about the consequences of alcohol and drug abuse. Teachers can also play their constructive role in this regard. They should guide and warn their students against the disastrous impact of drug abuse on their physical, mental, social, and academic well-being. Apart from this, additional options such as games, sports, individual counseling must be offered at educational institutions under the guidance of trained health education instructor and professional counselors. Orientation weekends and campaigns must be carried out to create awareness among the students regarding the negative impact of drug abuse. Seventh question. How important is healthy relationships between parents and children for the overall development of child? Answer. Parents hold significant place in the life of their children. The better the relationship between parents and children, the better the children's physical, social, emotional, and mental health can be. Parents are the role model for their children, and their activities cast direct influence on the overall development for their children. If the relationship between parents and children is positive and healthy, children feel themselves secure and are able to perform well in every field of life. On the other hand, if there exists communication gap between the two parties, then children find escape from such unhealthy of relationship, and they may indulge in negative activities such as drug addiction, theft, robbery, etc. Eighth question. Why should the use of soft drugs be controlled? What are the gateway to? Answer. Soft drugs usually include cigarettes, chalia, gutka, niswar, and pan. Tobacco and such kind of soft drugs should be controlled at the educational institutions because most of the youth take an easy start by using these soft drugs. Later on, the soft drugs serve as a gateway to drug abuse when the youth become addicted to hard drugs such as heroin, opium, cocaine, ice, shisha, etc. Ninth question. Whom for is the writer using the term "this nexus" in the essay Drug Abuse in Youth of Pakistan and why? Answer. The writer has used the term "this nexus" in the essay Drug Abuse in Youth of Pakistan for the drug dealers who are just a call away and their contact numbers are easily exchanged by the youth of the country at educational institutions. Some elements of law enforcement agencies also provide a strong back to the drug dealers to perform their duties well under the protective shield of them. The drug dealers and the law enforcing agencies have strong bond between them to run the dirty business of drugs by making the youth of the country addicted to it. We are done with reading comprehension part.